So YouTube, I decided to give a dedication to this today to save my life. Rip it. Back to the subject. Okay, today we're gonna get into this Monte Carlo SS. As you can see right here, I have a Monte Carlo SS bucket seat. Partially stripped down. Changed the track on the bottom to a Aero Camaro track. It actually sits lower in the car for a taller driver. Sits lower, and it is power, factory power. Bolts right up to the seat, no modification. That came from the factory. Camaro seat, Aero seat, exactly the same seat as the Monte Carlo SS, but it just has a different track on the bottom. That's all it has. So those seats are completely interchangeable. Don't let them tell you different because they lying. General Motors makes a lot of interchangeable shit. The Roadmaster and the Impala SS is the same exact goddamn seat. When you take the cover off the seat, it all looks exactly the same under there. Don't let them tell you different. So you can go to the junkyard and find Roadmasters all day. All you have to do is get the Roadmaster seat and have somebody stitch you up the cushions for an Impala SS, and it will fit. It's a free game for y'all. Free game. But this is the Monte Carlo SS I'm working on, Aero Coupe. You can see the seats are right here. It's plain factory old. These seats are pretty good condition actually. Plain seat. Like I said, put the power on there, stripped it off. But I got all the patterns to these seats on cardboard already, so I can do these seats before the car even reach my shop. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this car. Go over here. As you can see, I already did the rear deck of this car. I don't know what he's putting back there. I just made the deck. Whatever goes up under there in the trunk is on him. The SS logo embossed in there. So I'm starting to do the inside of this car. As you can see, it's red nappa and red suede. This is suede, UV protected, microfiber. So it can stand some direct sunlight, but I suggest you do a light tint anyway, or you just keep it in the garage. You don't keep it out in direct sunlight all day, every day. So even while I had it sitting back here, I cover it up because I don't want the sun just be beaming on this motherfucker for nothing. So you can see I started putting the pieces in. They dusty because they've been done forever, so they dusty. I'm just putting it together now. I really could have had this car gone, but I've been taking my time putting these cars together so I can document some of it. So I'm gonna show you all the steps. But I put this G6 headliner in there, and I got that all the way up in there. As you can see, the guy just pulled up for his seats. So I'm gonna stop this video. I'm gonna get right back at you. See right here, this is how I stay ahead of the game. This is the seat covers. I already made them. This for the bottom, suede in the middle, nappa. And then this is the tops, of course. Already done. You get the idea. So that's how I stay ahead of the game. I have all my shit done already before I even get the car. So I'm about to put them seats together and go ahead and finish putting this shit up together. The console is already mocked up. I'm gonna put Monte Carlo right there. Some switches, the lid. I think you're leaving the black and red plastic, so I'm gonna have to leave the plastic like it is. And that's about it. But I'm gonna show you this Monte Carlo logo. Hold on 1 second. So here you go.
don't know if you can see it, the reflection and all, but 1/4 inch acrylic. I etched this in with the laser a while back. I had it on my IG when I was doing it. So one of those SS Monte Carlos, I probably put it right in the middle right there and light it up red. And that Monte Carlo SS, I'm thinking about just putting that, I don't know. I might put that on the bottom of the door panel or some shit, or in the middle of the door panel. I don't know. Nothing too spectacular, because I don't want to overdo this one. So seats and stuff is all good. I got the kick panels and door panels and all that stuff is in the shop. I'm just gonna start snapping it together, and I'll document it so y'all can see how easy it goes together. The carpet got to be tucked in and all that stuff. It's just laying in there right now, so I'll get that together. But this is like the third step in this car, so that's about it. So we'll check in later on once I put something else together in this car, wrap this console or something. But that's the Monte Carlo Aero Coupe build. Getting ready to drop and then headed back to St. Louis. D.lux signing off. I holla.